This is what's called freedom. Freedom. Now I want to put the freedom like now. When you check here, I don't know if you are seeing what I'm showing you here. You can see where vertical is here. This V means vertical, this H means horizontal. So this one will tally with this one, while this one will tally with this one. This H, this H, this V, this V. So this is 1.2 microwave. Oh yeah, leave there, leave there. Leave there. This is what called 1.2 microwave. As you can see, this is called 1.2. If you see here, you see 1.2 13 gig. So what I'm going to use for it is 13 gig. Hey! Oh yeah, you guys, I will send you out of this site. Stop touching anything. Don't let me argue with you. So this is 1.2 dish, this is 13 gig. So which means it's going to use 13 gig radio. Now let me show you the I just need to show you what we call ODU. This is ODU, and this is where you will see the frequency. I don't know if you can see it clearly there. You understand? You can check your frequency here, and this is it. This is the ODU freedom. ODU freedom. So as you can see it now, the antenna is almost coupling, as you can see. So I'm adding this guy. I'm adding this guy now, this ODU here. I'm adding it to it. So get back soon. Like I say, I want you to see the position the antenna is going. It's going ahead of the one by your right side. It's going on top the one of the, but it's the same size of the one we are trying